Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Simulations include several scenarios stroke scenes. Let's insert the first scenario. Each scene can include a line and an action. Add line. A line is a conversation bubble that is part of a dialogue between the characters in the script. Select the character that will be speaking in the scene and choose its mood. Then write the words that it will say. Several lines can be inserted before reaching the turning point. Add action. This is the turning point and the user's opportunity to respond. Add actions by entering the text that the user can select to respond. Then choose the right answer for disqualification games or the relevant score when applicable. Define a distinct answer for each character to be used in response to the user's action. This is another form of feedback provided via the relevant character in the simulation stroke Milo as an external educator, stroke note, etc. When using points or points per qualities, decide how many points the user will receive when choosing a specific answer. You can also take off points for certain answers. If you choose a disqualification simulation, choose the right answer. Decide what will happen if the user selects this option. Return to this scenario. Move on to the next scenario. Go to a specific scenario. End the simulation. Add as many scenes as you wish. We think that several short simulations are better than a single long one, but that is completely up to you. Finally, in order to see the flowchart of your simulation, click here for an overview of its plot. Don't forget to click the save button. If you can't wait, you can even click the save and play button to play the simulation immediately. That's all, you're ready to begin.